Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Knowledge Point. Friends, today we will talk about Russian Panzer SA-22, which is the medium-range Russian-made anti-air defense system, and in Russian it is called Armor, and in NATO term they refer it to SA-22. It is the most modern medium-range anti-air defense system. Its per unit cost almost $13.15 million. We will talk about the technicalities, the development and the operators of Panzer SA-22 medium Russian anti-air defense system, so stick with us. Before coming to the video, do like, share and subscribe. Panzer, or in NATO they refer it to SA-22, is a medium-range Russian self-propelled anti-aircraft and anti-air object medium artillery system that is produced by KBP Instrument Design Bureau of Tula. Basically, it is a Soviet-era made Russian medium-range anti-air defense system which is mounted on 8x8 truck chassis, and it is called the most advanced medium-range Russian anti-air defense system. Basically, it was made by Russians in late 80s and it was later continued by the modern Russian state, and it is called the most modern anti-air defense medium era system which is used by many countries today. There are more than 200 pieces of Panzer SA-22 that are currently operating in the world, and many leading air defense systems are called as no match with the Russian Panzer SA-22. When it comes to the technicalities of Panzer SA-22, so it is a Soviet-era made medium-range anti-air defense system which is a combination of a radar and a pair of surface-to-air missiles that can take down any medium air object. It is also mounted with a 30 mm 2A38M autocannon gun that can take out any air object, plus it can also take down any ground object plus tanks and armor vehicles of the enemies. It is the most modern Russian medium air defense system that is operating in more than 12 to 15 states of the world, and it is considered as the leading anti-air defense system in many countries. When it comes to the development and design of Panzer SA-22, so it was designed by the Soviet Strategic Forces in late 80s, and Russian KBP Instrument Design Bureau of Tula is responsible for the development and design of SA-22. Basically, the project was originally started in 1990s, and in 2012, Russian Strategic Forces inducted many variants of Panzer SA-22 in their strategic air defense forces. Basically, there are more than 200 pieces of Panzer that are currently working in many leading and advanced air defense forces of the world, and it is called the most advanced medium-range anti-air defense system that is currently working in the many countries of the world. When it comes to the operators of Russian Panzer SA-22 medium anti-air defense system, so after the induction of Panzer 22 in Russian strategic forces in 2012, there are more than 10 countries that are using Panzer in their anti-air defense forces, in which Algeria, Ethiopia and Libya are on the front line. There are many rumors that Russians have provided Panzer SA-22 to the Iranians and Palestinian resistance group like Hezbollah and Hamas, and they are using it against the Israeli occupied forces. When it comes to the specification of Russian Panzer SA-22 medium air defense system, so its per unit cost is almost 13.15 million USD. There are two dual 2A 3A M30mm autocannons installed on the front of SA-22 that can take down any medium air object. It is also mounted with a pair of anti-aircraft missiles that can take down any medium air hostile objects with its missile, and it is also a combination of a radar and a missile system that works together and take down the hostile enemy objects, whether they are on the ground or they are in medium air. It is operated by 3 crew members that operates Panzer SA-22 There are more than 4 variants that are produced by the Russian strategic forces, in which Panzer S, Panzer S1, S10 and S2 are included. This was our information regarding the Russian Panzer SA-22 medium air defense system. I hope you liked our information. If you liked it, so do subscribe if you are new on our channel, and leave a comment so that we can improve our work in future. Thank you very much.